Today our video will be for revision sheet 3 with the calculator and its answer. The first question is complete the table. The first row has been done for you. 640, it's written 640 written in figures, 7,906, 7,906. There is no tens, so we would 0 and 6. Question number 2. Question number 1, how to write this number. It's 2,000 and 79. Let's come to question number 2. Question number 2, use either less than, more than. This number is the greatest, 112, so we put this sign. The next one, 1,121 and 1,211. 1,211 is the greatest because the first digit in 1 here and here 100 and 200, so 200 is greater. The last one is 2,111 and here 1,112, so 2,000 is greater, so this one is bigger. Question number 3, draw the reflection of the shape in the mirror line. This is the mirror line, and if we want to reflect, we will count the distance to the mirror line. This point is at 2 square, so its image will be at 2 square in the other side of the mirror line, and this one is also 2. It will be here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so it will be 7 in the other side. It will be here, and this one is also 7. Its image will be here. This one is 4. The image will be here, and this one also is 4. Its image will be here. Then we join these points with our ruler. I don't have a ruler, so I did it with my hand, but you should draw it with your ruler. Page number 2. George counts the number of boats sailing into a harbor on 5 days. We need to look below first. This is the key. The full draw of a boat represent 10 boats and the half represents 5. So to count on Monday, this is 10, 10, 10, 10, and 5, so it's 45. This is 10, 10, and 5, so it's 25. This is 10 and 5, so this is 15. This is 10 and another 10, it's 20. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, so it's 50. How many boats does George count sailing into the harbor altogether? We will add all of these numbers, 45 plus 25 plus 15 plus 20 plus 50. Those together is 70, and those is another 70. So it's a 70 plus 15 plus 70. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 15 is 155. Question number 5. 800 is with 200. 150 is with 850. 600 is with 400. To describe, we need to add those number or subtract it. And if we add, this will be 1000, and this is also will be 1000, and this one will be 1000. If we subtract, it will be 600. This one will be 700, and this one will be 200. So it's not subtraction because we have different answer, but when we add, we get the same answer. So describe the connection is their sum equal 1000. The number in the diagram are connected in the same way, so their sum must be 1000. To find the missing number in the circle, we subtract 1000 minus 650, 0 minus 0, 0. This one will be 0, 9, and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6 is 3. So the number here is 350. Draw a ring around the number which has digit 5 in the thousand. The thousand is the fourth place value. This is units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So in the thousand here, we have 5. So we will circle this number, and that's it. The first one is the answer. Here, count the tally. Each one of those is 5. So at strawberry, it's 5, 10, 15, 17. In toffee, it's 5, 9. To draw the strawberry, it's 17. It's already drawn. We need to draw the mint. It's 13. So we will go up. 13 will be in the middle between 12 and 14. It will be here. So we will go up like this. This will be the answer. And again, you should use your ruler to draw. 1 over 3, question number 8. 1 over 3 plus what equal 1? Put 1 whole as 3 over 3. 1 can be put as 3 over 3, 5 over 5, 6 over 6. But why we put it 3 over 3? Because the denominator here is 3. So we put 3 over 3. So 1 plus what equal 3? The denominator will be the same. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 over 3. This is the answer. Question. This question, Tina has 3 cards. Use each card once to write the largest possible number that is divisible or will be divided by 5. It means divisible by 5. So we will put 5 or 0 in the units, but we only have 5. We don't have 0, so we put 5 here. He won the largest, so we put 6 in the 100 and 4 here. So the answer is 645. Again, since it's divisible by 5, we put 5 in the units. And since it's the largest, we put 6 in the greatest place value, which is 100. Quarter of 12, it's the same as 12 divided 4. Question number 11. The difference between the two numbers in the box is 10. So we will go back until we get to this. This is negative 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, This is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. The answer is -3. Round to the nearest thousand. The thousand is 8. The one beside it is 3. 3 will not give 8, so it will stay 8. It will be 8,000. Question number 13. Here are 4-digit cards: 0, 1, 3, and 5. Use the cards to complete this calculation. We need an answer of 450, so we will put 0 in the units. Okay, and forget it. Now, this 0 is here, is the first digit. So now we need to put the numbers. So when we multiply them, we get 45. You will try, for example, you will try 13 by 5. It will not be 45 because it will be, sorry, 5 by 3, 15, 5 carry up 1, 5 by 1, 5 plus 1, 6. It will be 65, but we need 45. So we can try 3 by 15. It will be 45. So we put 3 here and 15 like this. It's a try. Try. If you didn't get the correct answer, try a different combination of numbers. Question number 14. Clara is investigating the following statement. Some quadrilateral has exactly 2 lines of symmetry. By the way, it's not always true. But he wants us to, on the grid below, draw an example of the shape that shows that this statement is true. So we need to draw a quadrilateral with 2 lines of symmetry. For example, rectangle. This has 2 lines of symmetry. Or rhombus. Both are correct. Adam is investigating this statement. Some triangle contain exactly 2 right angles. Explain why this statement is false. Because 90 plus 90, the 2 right angle equal 180, and the sum of angles in a triangle equal 180. So how come only 2 angles give 180? The sum of the 3 angles, not only 2, must give 180. This is an complete the table of equivalent fraction, decimal, and percentage. Half is 0.5 and it's 50%. 0.4 is 4 over 10 or 2 over 5. And if it's percentage, it's 40%. 3 over 4 is 0.75 or 75%. Here is a number grid. Circle the numbers that can be divided by 7 with a remainder of 1. To do this question easily, since we don't have a calculator, we need to write the timetable of 7. The smallest number is here is 74, sorry. This is not the answer. The smallest is this number. If you know timetable 7, 7 by 10 is 70. We will write here 70, then we add 7 each time, 77, 84, plus 7 it's 91, plus 7 it's 98, and that's it. If we want a number which is not divisible by 8, because he says there is a remainder 1, we will add 1 to each of those numbers. Any of these number we will add 1. It will be 71. We don't have 71 here. 78. We don't have 78. This will be 85. We have 85. So this is the correct answer. And if we add 1 to 91, it will be 92. We don't have 92. So the correct answer is 85. Again, we write the timetable. We know that from the timetable of 7, 7 by 10 is 70. So we start with 70 and start adding 7. Those numbers are divisible by 7. But if we add 1, the answer will give me a remainder of 1 when we divide by 7. What divide 5 equal 24? It will be 5 multiply 24. 5 by 4, 20. 0 carry up 2. 5 by 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So it's 120. In this, write the coordinate of the point C. Point C is here. It's -5 and 2. We get the number from the x-axis first. X-axis -5, y-axis 2. Describe the translations that move A onto B. Let's use this point and count the steps until we get here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left, or 7 squares, right, sorry, and 1, 2, 3 down. We want to use this symbol to complete this number statement. 5 over 8 or 3 over 8, which is bigger? 5 over 8, of course. 6 over 8 and 3 over 4. We need to change this to have a common denominator. Multiply 2, multiply 2, 3 by 2, 6, 4 by 2, 8. Now we have the same denominator, 8 and 8. So they are equal. 1 over 2, we need to change it, multiply 4, multiply 4. Why we change it? Because we need to have a common denominator. The number which is below the fraction sign. 2 by 4 is 8, 1 by 4 is 4. So this is 4 over 8, and 3 over 8, 4 over 8, of course, is greater. Question number 25. Laila is writing the prime numbers in order. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. We need to memorize them, or the prime number is the number that has only 2 factors. Why 6 is not prime? Because 6 by 1 is 6 and 2 by 3. Since we have 2 numbers except the number and itself, which give us the number, so the number is not prime. But for 11, it's 11 by 1 only that give me 11. Write the next 2 number in the sequence. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. If you notice that those are the square numbers. Those numbers are the square number. 1 by 1 is 1. 2 by 2, 4. 3 by 3, 9. 4 by 4, 16. 5 by 5, 25. 6 by 6, 36. 7 by 7, 49. So the answer is 36 and 49. Here is a net of a 3D shape. Since the shape has a lot of triangles, so it's pyramid. Since most of the faces are triangles, so the shape is pyramid. And its name comes from this shape at the middle. It's a square. So it's a square based pyramid. Okay? Question number 2. He's describing a 3D shape. My shape has 6 vertices, 5 faces, and 9 edges. It's this face. It's this shape, which is triangular prism. Question number 23. We need to order the measurement from the smallest to the greatest, but we have different measuring units, centimeter, millimeter. We will convert them to be the same. I will leave this as 20 centi. This one will be 100 centi. From meter to centimeter, multiply 100. From milli to centi, it will be 3 only, 3 centi. And this one will be the same. So the smallest is 2.5 centi. Then it's 3 centi, which is 30 milli. Then 20 centi. Then at last 100 meter. A glass of water holds 225 milliliter of water. Peter drank 1.8 liter of water during a day. How many glasses of water does he drink during the day? To do this, we will 1.8 liter multiply 1000, it will be 1800 milli. Then we will start adding 1 cup is 225. 2 cups, we will multiply this number by 2, it will be 450. This number by 2. Then 3 cup will be the first number, which is 225 by 3, will be 576. Then 4 cups, the first number 225 by 4, it's 900. And we will keep going until we get that 1800 equal 8 cups. So it's 8 cups. This is the last page. It's about the probability. Bag A, 3 white, 1 black. Bag B, 2 white and 6 black. What is the probability of Isaac taking a black from bag A? It's 1 out of 4. Since it's the number which is 1 is smaller than half 4, so it's unlikely. If it was 2 over 4, it will be even. If it's 0 over 4, it will be impossible. If it's 4 over 4, it will be certain. What is the probability? Question number B. Isaac taking black from bag B. Black is 6 over 8. Why 6 over 8? Because the total is 8 and 6 is the number of the black beads. It's not even because it's not 4 over 8, so it's more than this, so it will be, this is This will be 0 over 8, and this is 8 over 8. This is 2 over 8, 4 over 8, 6 over 8. So it will be here, and it's likely. Finally, I wish you all success. Please try to study, not to waste your time. Try to read. Read a book, it will help you, not only in math, but it will help you in life. And be safe. Stay at home and be strong. We all wish you good luck. Thank you.